What's good, mindful gang? Let's find out 8 signs if he's a broke and dusty dude. All right, let's make sure you're not dating a broke dude and tell people you watch my channel. You're making me look bad. All right. Now, for people who are part of the mindful gang, click comment down below and let me know what are other signs that you're dating a broke dude that I didn't mention in the video. Right, and don't forget be part of the notification squad. All right. Okay, let's begin this.
Oh my god, like a boss.
Ladies, a lot of you guys have been asking me how to tell when if a guy that I'm talking to is broke, all right? And so I thought I'll make this video because, yeah, I get it. There's a lot of broke ass dudes out there. And no, ladies, my followers, the guys that follow my channel, some of them are broke, I understand, but it's only for the moment. They're only broke for the moment, ladies and gentlemen, okay? They're not broke forever. They're on their purpose. They're following their calling in life, and they're on their path to mastery, which will inevitably bring them money in the long run, right? But some of you ladies are dating secretly broke, dusty ass dudes. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys 8 signs that he's broke. All right, and now don't feel bad that the guy you're talking to is broke, because you could definitely encourage him to become better. Because I was once broke. Yeah, people, I was once broke. I was dating a girl who was supposed to be a doctor, and I was a social worker. And I was like, there's no way I could go out with this girl and she earns more than me. My male ego couldn't take that shit. So I began learning how to become a computer programmer. I would wake up at 5 in the morning, and then after that I would go to work at 12 p.m. every single day. Every single fucking day, right? For a whole year and a half until I quit. And then I started doing YouTube, right? The point is this, is that, it's okay if the guy you're talking to is broke, as long as he's young. You see, if he's old and broke, that's a problem, right? So we're gonna talk about 8 signs that he's broke, all right? And by the way, ladies, seminar in New York City coming in next week, and I have other seminars in the description down below. I'll be going to your city, okay? So just check out the description down below, and check out my Spanish channel. That's right, ladies. Description down below. I have a Spanish Espanol channel, all right? So you guys want to check it out down there, ladies. Look, the first sign that he's broke. Now, mind you, if you see 2 of these signs, it doesn't mean he's broke. But if you see 3 or more, my girl, you dating a broke ass motherfucking dude, all right? You dating a dusty ass dude, all right? And there's nothing wrong with being broke. The problem is when you date a broke guy. You see, there's nothing wrong with being broke. Just don't date me, because a guy who's broke, I'm sorry, but a guy who's broke, man, how the fuck you gonna talk about him with your friends? It's a little embarrassing dating a guy who's broke, unless everyone around you is broke. You can't be dating a dude. Let's start, man. The first one, he has an unkept beard and cheap clothing. You see, guys who are broke, they don't take care of the way they look. They're too broke. They play video games all day. They're unkept. Their clothes are dirty as fuck. And so that's one sign. Now again, it's not all of them, but if you see a dude who's always unkept, right, who always has cheap ass clothing, and buys and shops at secondhand store, it means he's broke. The second one is he has a lot of free time on his hand, right? Broke dudes always have a lot of free time in their hands. Guys with money don't have a lot of time in their hands, right? So if the guy you're seeing is available at 11 a.m. in the morning, if he talks about watching Maury all day, girl, he's broke. Most likely he's broke. He's broke. There's no dude who's making money who has time in the afternoon. But if you notice him on his phone, on showing the fact that he's watching Maury at 12 p.m., then most likely he's broke. The next sign is he says he's cheap. He damn well even says it himself. He even takes pride at the fact that he's cheap, right? People who say they're cheap, sometimes they don't know what they're saying. I remember when I was younger, I used to say, yeah, I used to say that I was cheap, right? And I don't know what the fuck I was thinking saying that, because it clearly told women that I was broke. And I was broke, but I was like in my early 20s, right? But that's the point, is that whenever when a guy talks about being cheap and frugal, most likely he's broke. Unless he's one of those few people who's actually frugal because they're trying to, pay some debts. But that's very far few in between. That's not a lot of people, man. Like that's not a lot of them, man. The fourth one is he takes you on freebie dates. In other words, his dates are very cheap, to the point that he doesn't even spend money, right? He'll take you for $1 beer, right? He'll take you on a walk in the park. That's what I used to do. Or even better, he'll take you on adventurous dates. Yeah, adventurous dates. Let's sneak into this hotel rooftop like I used to do, right? Or let's sneak into this backyard, or let's sneak into this pool where we can swim into it. I used to do that shit. I used to sneak into like hotel pools, and we used to go swimming. I used to break into a whole bunch of spots when I was younger, right? But it was because I was broke. You see what I'm saying? It was because I was broke, right? So that's one thing, is that he enjoys those walking the parks. He enjoys those water fountain dates, all right? So that's one thing, right? The next one is that he makes excuses for why he's broke, right? Man, I'm living with my parents because I'm in school, or I'm working at McDonald's because I want to learn how to manage my own restaurant and then one day be able to have my own restaurant, right? So he'll make excuses for why he's broke, right? The next one, which is actually a big one, he has an old phone, right? Or even better, he has an old phone and the screen is broke, right? Like I broke my screen and I still haven't fixed it, right? But that's not the point though. The point is that he'll have an old phone from like fucking the 90s and shit. He'll have a flip phone, or he'll have one of those like old Galaxy phones. The point is he'll have an outdated phone. Right, he'll have an old phone. Right, you want to know why? Because it takes money to keep up. Now look, I've seen broke people with new phones, so it's like, but when you see somebody with an old phone, that motherfucker's broke. You see, because like you see people with new phones, you can't really say if they're broke. But if you see them with an old phone, most likely you can say that they're broke, man. Unless I was gonna say unless they're white and they like being minimalist, and I could see that. The next one, which is related to that phone, is that he has no data on his phone. He only has like normal dial, phone, right? So if the guy has no data on his phone and he needs Wi-Fi and he says, "Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't text you. I didn't have internet." He's broke. Anytime a woman says, "I don't have internet, I gotta go to a Wi-Fi spot," I'm like, I'm dealing with a broke chick right now, right? And the last one is he has more debt than income, right? Not the last one, right? Actually, it is one of the last ones, right? He has more debt than income. Now, this one is one that you find out once you know him. I don't give a fuck if he is an engineer. If that dude has $800,000 in school loans, he's in debt. He's broke. I don't care if he's a social worker and makes $50,000 a year. If he has $200,000 in debt, he's a broke social worker. I don't care if he's the doctor that's $500,000 or $800,000 in debt. If he's a doctor $800,000 in debt and he makes $100,000 a year, he's a broke doctor. He's a broke doctor. That's just how it is, man. It's just how it is. Like me, I make a good income, but you know what? I have student loans. You see what I'm saying? Like I it's gonna take me like till 2022 to pay off all of my loans. So you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like I could easily live a crazy life, right? But secretly I'll have that. That's not me. You see, I'm the kind of person I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to get out of there, right? But that's not the point. Because then you guys are gonna think I'm broke. Okay, I'm not broke. First of all, okay, I'm not broke. So don't think that shit. Okay, because yesterday you guys were like, oh, he's gay, right? When I talked about my little gay story. No, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I'm just giving you guys an example. All right. So those are the signs that he's broke. Now what to do with a broke guy, you decide. Because broke is relative, right? You see, if you live in a poor community, I get it. Who cares? Why would, but if you're a woman who has some success in life, this is the bad part about being a successful woman. You can't date a broke dude. You just can't. You see what I'm saying? It's a problem dating a broke dude, right? So it is what it is, man, all right? Anyways, these are the 8 signs that he's broke, all right? Okay, ladies? Now, it is what it is. You can still love a broke dude, but it's important to know what you're getting yourself into. All right? All right. Peace out, motherfuckers.
All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners. No more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week. Fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses. My Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: one, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you can just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.